Thank you guys, and I will see all you dudes! X has always been the jump button!
No chance.
Wake up, boys! And high fives all around.
122 damage! Yeah.
Where you fall in a hole? You knocked down my banner! I'm gonna fuck you up!
You can't do that for.
Are you sure about that?
Not
Fine,
arrows.
friendo.
Better than that.
I did it again! Fucking logs! Polio vaccine, which I'm assuming is just. Wait, is that Sean? Open up your papers! Glory to our Statska. I mean, glory to our Statska! So now I have. Now I have to get my voice back. Now I have. Oh, shit! What the fuck happened? No! 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 What did I do? What did I do? God damn it, I need your energy! And I need one of those boxes though. Wait, do I? I jumped! Why is there lag in my system? Are you fucking kidding me? Why did I do that? What is wrong with me? But that was it for the elevator. Just stay here without the guy? Can I just stay here? Can you just everything stay exactly as it is, please? Okay, and what better way to marry the Area 51 meme together than with some good old-fashioned green screen Jacksepticeye pictures? Fire in the hole! My voice kind of went doing that. Hole! Let me know what you guys think, if you still like it. I don't know why I just said that way. That's annoying. Oh, you don't stand a chance against the might of the warriors. It's all about the little things and the gigantic things, like these. I'm sorry, Dutch people. I'm sorry for what I'm about to do. I'm proud of you guys, specifically. I'm not murdering them, I'm just loving them. Why do I not have those all over my base?